Welcome to the special episode of price action pattern. Here I am going to teach you the famous price action pattern and how we can earn by using this price action pattern. Please note that I am tested all this pattern in Nifty and Bank Nifty only. Those who are trading in stock, kindly don't use this pattern. It will be useful for those who are trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty options. Today we are going to see one of the basic pattern called open drive, which is the low probability trading setup. Before going to see the price action pattern, we have a certain condition for all the patterns, but one condition is must for all patterns, that was keeping stop loss. None of the pattern will give you 100% result. It may not happen. It is a probability. So keeping stop loss is must for all the patterns. For open drive, we have a certain condition. Before going to see what is open drive, let us see about what are all the condition. For open drive, the first condition is you need to identify the trend. I am going to teach all the pattern in 5 minutes time frame only, but for identifying the trend, we are going to look Nifty day chart. This is Nifty day chart in TradingView. You can see that market from 27th July till 18th October, the trend was in up direction. If the market overall trend was in up direction, you must use this pattern to buy a call option. That means your trading setup was towards up direction only. I am repeating, from 28th July till 19th October, the market was in up direction. During this time period, you need to use the pattern in up direction only. That means you need to buy a call option. From 20th October till now, the market was in clear down direction. If you are using this pattern in between the time frame, you need to use in down direction. That means you need to buy put option. Identifying the trend is very easy. Open the day chart. If market moves day by day higher, it is in uptrend. If market moves day by day lower, it is in down direction. Once you identify the trend, you need to check the previous day chart. For example, if you identify the trend was in up direction, in day chart the market move like this. After that, you need to check the previous day chart. The previous day chart must be in consolidation phase only. That means you need to ensure the market was not moved more than 100 points. That means it was not in the uptrend, it was not in the downtrend, as well as it was not in the uptrend. You need to ensure the market moved between certain range. For example, it is moved 17,000 to 17,100. Once you ensure that, you can use the pattern in next day. First condition, you need to identify the trend. After identifying the trend, you need to check the previous day chart. The previous day chart must be in consolidation phase only. For example, if you are identifying the market trend was in up direction and as well as the previous day was in consolidation phase, after that you can use this pattern on upcoming trading day. For example, if you are going to use the pattern on Monday, you need to check the Friday chart. That means last trading day chart. Once you ensure that on Friday the market was in consolidation phase, you can use this pattern with confidently. After ensuring the two conditions, let us move on to the open drive. You ensure that market was in uptrend and yesterday market was in consolidation phase. This is open drive pattern. Remain one thing, I am going to teach all the pattern in 5 minutes time frame only. Once you see the candle like this, market need to open well above the CPR and it need to close above the previous day high or R1 and it need to form a bullish pin bar like this. Once you see the bullish pin bar like this, you can keep the stop loss just below the candle and your target must be R1. If market opens above previous day high, your target must be R1. If market opens above R1, your target must be in R2. Remind that this pattern will not work above R2. It will work above R1 and R2. It will work above between R1 and R2 only. Always enter at previous day high and book the profit at R1. If market opens above R1 like this, you enter at above R1 and keep the target at R2. This is called open drive. The open drive must be in first 3 or 4 candle, not more than that. That means the candle need to form between 9:15 to 9:45, not more than that. It will not work in late evening. So be aware that the candle need to form between 9:15 to 9:45. Let us see what we can do with open drive if market moves in downtrend like this. You identified the market was in downtrend and yesterday market also in consolidation phase. After that, once you see the bearish candle like this, market need to open well below the CPR and market need to close below previous day low or R1, any one of these. If market closes below previous day low, your target is R1. If market closes below R1, your target is R2. You need to buy put option at this candle close and keep the stop loss just above the candle. I am repeating, if market opens below the bottom CPR and it breaks R1 or previous day low, you need to enter at this candle close and keep the stop loss just above the candle. You need to buy nearby put option. Don't use any pattern blindly. Before using the patterns, just do paper trade and back test. I am showing some of example for open drive. On 2nd December, market opens with bullish pin bar. On 3rd candle itself, market breaks previous day high as well as R1. You can enter at this candle close. Keep the stop loss just below the candle. Your first target is R2. You may run the profit till R3, but be aware market may reverse at R2. Sometimes open drive works in opposite trend also. On December 2, the overall trend was in down direction. You may backtest by yourself and you can learn more.